Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, having the right power tool for a job is essential. Whether it's sanding, drilling, cutting, sawing, or any other kind of project, the right choice of power tool can make your job easier and more efficient. To help in making the best decision when buying power tools, here are 9 considerations to keep in mind. In this video, we're going to talk about 9 things to consider when buying power tools so you can make the right decision for your needs. Let's get started. What type of project are you doing? The type of project you are doing will determine which power tool is best for the job. For example, if you are drilling into brick, concrete, or other hard materials, you will need a hammer drill. If you are cutting wood or any other soft material, a circular saw might be the best choice. Knowing what kind of project you have to do beforehand can help make the buying process easier and more efficient. Taking the time to answer these questions can help you narrow down your choices and make the best decision for your project. What is your budget? Before purchasing any power tool, you should consider your budget. Different tools have different prices, so it helps to set a budget before making any decisions. Budgeting is also important because some tools may be more expensive initially but may be worth the investment in terms of longevity and durability. Knowing how much money you are willing to spend on a power tool can help narrow down the choices and make sure that you get the best possible product for your money. What types of power source are available? When buying a power tool, you should consider the type of power source available. Electric-powered tools can be powered either by corded or battery sources. Cordless tools offer flexibility and movement but often require you to manage multiple batteries as they run out of juice during sustained use. Gas-powered tools, on the other hand, offer a much more powerful performance but may require additional maintenance. Design and ergonomics. Modern power tools are designed to be ergonomic and comfortable to use, reducing fatigue during long projects. Make sure to find tools that suit your size and grip strength, as well as any special requirements you may have, such as a tool with a longer handle for reaching higher or farther away areas. Power tool features. When shopping for power tools, it's important to pay attention to their features. Some features include variable speed control, adjustable depth control, and adjustable angle settings. These features can make your job easier and more accurate by allowing specific tasks to be completed quickly and efficiently. Durability and reliability. Make sure to look for power tools that are built to last. Look for tools with heavy-duty housings and durable materials that can withstand daily use without a problem. Many high-quality tools also come with warranties that cover any potential damage or defects, so make sure to take advantage of this if possible. Safety features. Safety should always be a top priority when using power tools. Look for tools with safety features like double insulated housings, non-slip grips, and automatic shutoff switches. These features can help prevent injuries and accidents while allowing you to work with confidence. Brand reputation. When it comes to power tools, brand reputation can be an important factor in the buying process. Make sure to do your research and read reviews from other users before making a purchase. This will give you an idea of how reliable the tool is, as well as its performance in real-world conditions. Where to buy power tools. When shopping for power tools, it's important to find a reliable retailer with a good selection of products. Look for stores that offer competitive prices and quality customer service. Many online stores also provide detailed product descriptions and reviews so you can make an informed decision before making a purchase. Purchasing the right power tool for your project requires some research and careful consideration. Understanding your budget, the type of power source available, design and ergonomics, features, durability and reliability, safety features, and brand reputation will help you make the best decision possible. To find the best deals on high-quality power tools, it pays to shop around at different retailers. With a bit of research and some patience, you can find the perfect power tool for your job. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.